Hi, I'm Steve Castro. I'm Director of Web Development here at EGC Group. Today I'm going to talk about ADA compliance. Besides physical locations, it also applies to digital assets such as websites and apps. It prohibits discrimination against people with disabilities. There's a wide range of disabilities covered under the Act, but for websites, we primarily deal with vision, hearing, and motor function disabilities. So why is ADA important? The most important thing for ADA compliance is that you want to provide the same experience to both disabled and non-disabled users. If you make things unintentionally difficult for disabled users, you could end up with negative reviews, angry customers, or even legal action or monetary damages. So for websites, what are the most important things that you have to manage for ADA compliance? The most critical ones are descriptive alternative text for images, making sure your website can be navigated with a keyboard, and also things like color contrast and video playback.